In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 FPS drop. We're going to make two quick adjustments in Windows that often deliver a noticeable boost in smoothness, using the highest refresh rate your display supports and enabling game mode so Windows focuses more resources on your games. Start by opening the Windows settings with a single shortcut. Press the Windows key and the letter I together. This takes you right into the Settings app. On the left side, choose System, which is where Windows keeps most of the core device options. Now click Display. This is where we'll make sure your monitor is running at the refresh rate it's designed for, because a low refresh rate can make games feel choppy, even when your graphics card is working hard. Scroll to and select Advanced Display. Here you'll see information about your monitor and a drop-down for Choose a Refresh Rate. Refresh rate is how many times per second your screen updates, measured in hertz. Higher numbers, like 120 Hz, 144 Hz, or 240 Hz, make motion look smoother and can reduce perceived stutter or tearing. From the drop-down, pick the highest refresh rate available for your display. If you have multiple monitors, make sure you're looking at the correct one using the Select a Display option at the top. The choices you see depend on your monitor, the cable, and the port you're using. For example, some HDMI ports limit refresh at certain resolutions, while DisplayPort or a newer HDMI version can unlock higher rates. When you apply the change, your screen may flicker briefly. That's normal. If the option isn't there, your hardware may not support it at that resolution. Next, let's have Windows prioritize gaming performance. Press Windows and I again to return to Settings. This time, click Gaming, then select Game Mode. Turn on Game Mode using the switch. With Game Mode enabled, Windows reduces background activity, limits interruptions from updates while you're playing, and allocates more CPU and GPU resources to your game. It's designed to make performance more consistent, especially on systems where a few background tasks can cause sudden dips. That's it. By running your display at its highest supported refresh rate and turning on game mode, you create a smoother, more responsive experience and help prevent those annoying FPS drops. The next time you launch your favorite game, you should notice steadier frame delivery and less hitching during fast action. Keep in mind that overall game performance also depends on your hardware, in-game settings, and temperature conditions. But these two Windows tweaks are quick wins that many systems benefit from immediately.